Hey, what's up, guys? It's me. So listen, I'm not going to be here today. And for those who had me 6th, 7th, and 8th periods, you guys already know that. Jonathan, my 4-year-old, has the flu, and so the doctor said that I've got to keep him out the rest of the week. So my wife had yesterday off, and I've got today off with him. So hopefully he'll be better by this weekend, and I'll be back on Monday. With that being said, 8th graders, listen, I know you guys just finished taking the practice star for math and reading. And so for you guys, I haven't actually had a chance to talk you guys through a lot of this, but we've spent a lot of time over the last week and a half going over Pythagorean theorem. So I want to go ahead and get that done with. And so what I have in the yellow tray over here, I've got the assessment for that. The assessment's 8 questions, and here's how it's set up. And it even says it in the instructions. You can work with a partner on the assessment, but if you work with a partner, you've got to answer all 8 questions, okay? You can also work independent, and if you work by yourself, you only have to answer 4 questions, okay? And the idea behind that is what I want you to do is to find 4 questions on there that you want to try and circle them, okay? If you decide to do extra problems, that's fine. What I'll do is anything that you get right over and above the 4 that you attempted would count as bonuses. So let's say that you do problems 1, 2, 5, and 6, but you miss 6, problem number 6. If you do another one of the extra problems and you get one of those problems right, I'll replace the one you missed with the bonus one, okay? 7th graders, 6th period and 8th period, you guys already know the routine. For you guys, I want you guys to come in. You're gonna grab the folders off of the shelf, and the sub's gonna give you guys about 5 or 10 minutes at the beginning of class to look over your notes. And once you guys have a good kind of review of how to find the corresponding angles, and then you do your line and your equal sign, your line, and set up that ratio, you guys will grab your assessment, obviously put your notes away, put the folder away off to the side, and then he'll pass out the assessment for you guys. Same thing for y'all. You got 8 questions. You can work with a partner. If you work with a partner, you've got to answer all 8. But if you work independently, you only have to answer 4 of them, okay? So same kind of concept with the 7th graders as the 8th graders. The only difference is with the 8th graders, we've been spending a lot of time looking at Pythagorean theorem. And as I checked in some of your folders, I realized not everybody in the 8th grade has a packet for Pythagorean theorem, but you guys already are pretty well aware of how the a squared plus b squared equals c squared works, how if you're finding c, you're going to add, and if you're finding the a or the b, you're going to subtract, okay? 8th graders, you guys can grab a calculator and a yellow star sheet along with your assessment. 7th graders, you guys can grab a calculator, and the green sheet's available to you, but I don't think you're going to need to use it. There's nothing on that green star sheet that's going to help you on this assessment. The best thing for you guys to do, 7th graders, is just to look at your notes in your folders, okay? So with that being said, again, guys, my plan is to be back on Monday. Jonathan, our 4-year-old, seems to be in pretty good shape already, so I feel like I may be up here tomorrow just to pop in and see how things are going. I don't know. But if I see you, great. And if not, guys, you know my policy on the sub. If there are any kind of behavior issues, all he's got to do is write your name down on a note back to me, and you know the consequence of that. So hopefully we'll get to that. Real quick, in my 7th period class, Kevin and Zach, just know I already talked to Govan and SB on that. SB talked to Miss Destiny Zach. So for that, if you need to just go up there and take it, you're more than welcome to. And then Kevin, just check in, say hey, and then once that's done with, you can head on up to Miss Govan's class. One final thing, guys. I do have an extra credit assignment for y'all. And so with that, if you guys finish your work early, if you guys finish the assessment, you guys know you can go over to the makerspace. I'm pointing to it. Go to the makerspace. You can either read a book, grab a brain puzzle, or put your head down, or the other option is to grab this activity here. And again, it is just, you're gonna plot the points on here and connect them and then see what it makes. And it's even got a little Valentine's theme of I'll always love you. Little dad joke there for you. So anyways, guys, I hope you all have a great day. I will see you guys on Monday. And please behave for the sub. Talk to y'all soon. See ya.